Hello viewers, welcome again to the Beauty Blaster. Are you guys looking for Choppy Pixie hair ideas? So here are some creative titles for Choppy Pixie hairs. Choppy Pixie, a bold and edgy look. Choppy Pixie, the perfect cut for summer. A versatile cut for any face shape. A cut that's full of texture and movement. A cut that's easy to style and maintain. A cut that's perfect for women who wants to make a statement. The cut that's as unique as you are. The cut that's turning heads. The cut that's making waves. The cut that's taking over the world. The cut that's here to stay. So, is it time for a bold new look? If so, you need to consider the Choppy Pixie haircut. This edgy and stylish cut is perfect for women who want to make a statement. The Choppy Pixie is characterized by its short, textured layers and jagged ends. This gives the haircut a lot of volume and movement, and it can be styled in a variety of ways. First of all, guys, if you are new in my channel, then please do subscribe and press the bell icon and like the video and do share with your friends and family. We will be highly thankful to you. So, let's talk about Pixie haircut. One of the best things about the Choppy Pixie is that it's incredible versatile. It looks great on all face shapes and hair types, and it can be dressed up or down. If you are looking for a haircut that will turn heads, the Choppy Pixie is the perfect choice for you. It's a bold and edgy look that will make you stand out from the crowd. Here are some additional benefits of the Choppy Pixie haircut. It's easy to style and maintain. It's a low maintenance haircut. It's a great way to show off your natural beauty. It's a classic haircut that will never go out of style. So thanks for watching the Beauty Blaster. Watch the video till the end. Every idea is very creative. Bye bye, take care, Allah Hafiz.